Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make pickled jalapeno peppers. Start by washing peppers, trimming stems, and deciding whether to slice or leave whole. Keep a simple brine of vinegar, water, salt, and sugar ready, and measure spices like garlic and oregano. Sterilize jars while the brine heats. I'll guide you through timing, flavor tweaks, and safe storage so you get crisp, tangy pickles every time. Measure vinegar and water carefully and heat them until the salt and sugar dissolve fully, creating a clear brine. While the brine warms, prepare your spices and arrange peppers in a bowl for easy packing. Taste a small spoonful once cooled slightly to adjust sweetness or acidity with a little more sugar or vinegar. Keep the brine hot, but not boiling when pouring into jars, so flavors meld without softening peppers too much. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more videos you'll love. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers for storing pickled jalapenos because they seal tightly and travel well, perfect for packed lunches or gifts. They're durable, easy to clean, and keep brine from leaking. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by packing peppers into jars so slices sit snugly and whole peppers fit without bending. Pour the hot brine over peppers until all are submerged and headspace is correct, then wipe the rims to ensure a clean seal. Apply lids and process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended time to preserve safely. Let jars cool undisturbed, check seals, and label with contents and date for future use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.